Hey everyone, well, I'm going to show you how I make wooden spoons. There's no measurements, no drawing, no carving. I just split this wood and I sanded it down so it's just a blank. So, let's make a spoon. Safety first. Well, that's so far I got. Found a belt, but it's really used. There's a little grip on the edge that wasn't used up. Okay, this is 600 grit, and the one that I'm finishing off with. Okay, well, got the spoon done, and it is fantastic. Well, it's very similar to a regular spoon, so it's very useful, but I don't use it for like cereal or soups. What I like to stir and use is tea. Except this is not tea, this is honey water. I took honey and hot water. So you just stir it up. So here's a close-up of what the spoon looks like. Ah, this honey water is good. So always stir your tea or honey water with a wooden spoon and not with a metal spoon or plastic. Don't put plastic in your water. So remember, get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See you next time.